Good morning here from Milan, Italy. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm heading to Milan Centrale or Milan Central Station, and I'm gonna take the train going to Paris. It would be 8 hours ride or 7 hours from here. So I'm gonna try business class of Trenitalia, their bullet train. So I'm gonna share with you what it's gonna be like. I see the cobblestone. It's so hard to have a luggage, especially when it's a big one. Luckily, I have a small one because it's uneven. Anyway, I'm here now. My train would be 6:25 in the morning, so I'm a bit early. Actually, it's okay to go like 30 minutes or 40 minutes before because it's just an country, not like you're going outside the European Union. So this is the the scheduled train for today. So mine is Paris CDL, that's Frecciarossa AV 9292. Paris GDL 6:25 in the morning, and there's no platform yet, so you will see the platform number, all the departures, the destination, and the stopovers, the time. That sometimes if it's delayed, it will be shown there, and the destination, the final destination. Sometimes you're going to a city that is not a final destination, so you have to check the train number because that's what's indicate that that's your correct train, even though the destination is different because you're not going to the last stop, so you will see your stop over here. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm gonna miss Milan. See you soon, Milan. So let's go inside and let's go to all the train access. It's on the, I think, third floor here in Milan Central. So again, actually, what's good about taking a train instead of airplane? So in the airplane, you have to go to the airport 2 hours or 3 hours before your departure time. But with the train, you can go at least like half an hour before the departure time, and there's no extra as well. And you can bring more luggages if you want. So I'm just here waiting for the platform to appear. So they are waiting. So the platform appears 20 minutes before the departure time, and you can actually go inside if you want. And I forgot that there's a lounge inside that I can use. And there's no time left. drink coffee. Last stop, we're entering France.
Goditi un momento di gusto ad alta velocità. Aggiungi al piacere del viaggio una rilassante pausa caffè o un
Thank you.
Ricordiamo che a bordo è assolutamente vietato fumare. Questo treno è dotato di impianto antincendio con rilevatore. Do not disturb other passengers. We remind you that smoking is forbidden on board trains. A fire system with smoke detection is installed on this.
Welcome to France.
No, non si chiude proprio.
Si chiude, rimane un po'.
Toilet.
passagers, nous vous rappelons de ne rien oublier à bord et de vous assurer.
Nous arrivons à Paris avec quelques minutes supplémentaires par rapport à l'horaire prévu, suite à la régulation du trafic sur la ligne à grande vitesse entre Lyon et Paris.
Yes.